Judy's 24th
English
birthday.
contender.
Ah, English talaga, sorry. Ano?
EOP ba?
EOP, EOP.
We'll just start.
Hi, we're here at Judai's house. It's Sunday and we haven't gotten to sleep yet, but we're here with our friend Judy. To greet him, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Juday!
And that's Kuting.
Yes.
Kuting, come here,
Kuting, would
show
you like
your
to
face.
be seen on the video?
Yeah, would you like
Would you like to
see Angel? Would you like to insert your face here?
Monster!
Scary, scary.
Oh,
So,
that air?
Email,
One by one.
Judy, happy birthday!
Ay.
Inahon lang sabi mo?
Judy, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Yes. Sana manalo si Judy.
Vote Judy.
For Councilor, District 2. District 2. District 2 Pateros.
Yeah, nag-record kami ng kanyang jingle. So we're part of his jingle.
Yes,
Yes! We're the artists.
Yes, sample. 1, 2, 3. Iboto! Crisanto Artesa for
Juday, para po si Hayes.
Ano tama naman kanina ba? Tama.
Tama.
Lakas ng kabataan. Para ayoko ilabas siya sa ano.
Be a fan of Judy!
Yes. Be a fan of Judy in Facebook this time. Juday, Artesa, and Press Big Kamangsan. Okay? Ano yung patay na isda na? Uy!
Huh?
Okay, let's say goodbye first. And then,
Bye.
we're going home.
We're going.
Bye-bye! Happy birthday again! Happy birthday!
Yeah, it's 4 p.m. so we're going home. Goodbye. Happy
Thank you sa
birthday,
food.
Judy.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Post.